So next question is, let's say I wear, I don't know, a jersey, right? One of these NBA jerseys, whatever it is, okay? Does it count as...
That's the problem. That's the problem. It's just it's going in a ways of going. That's what we learned. That's what you guys missed. We had this class. We started when there are only a few people, so we started with our friend Or and Moshe. We started this Abadat Kachavim. I don't worship it. Go ahead. So basically, all of these things should not be worn by a Jew.
Even let's say you have let's say a logo, right, of some team or something on shoes.
So you give this this logo, this team, the sport credibility.
What if you only wear it at home because it's your only slippers? What about then?
So, but still, Hashem is at home also.
I hear. I agree. So, mamish, throw them out. Long story short. Okay, got it.